Hi, I'm Nick Lujan, Director of Artistry and Education for Kevyn Aucoin Beauty, and today we're going to take a closer look at winged eyeliner technique. A wing liner is a great way to add some contrast between the whites of the eyes and the eye makeup. It also creates this natural lift to the outer corners of the eyes, making you look more vibrant and awake. For my wing liner look, I'm going to be using the Precision Liquid Liner by Kevyn Aucoin Beauty. It comes in a deep carbon black and a beautiful sharp felt tip liner for ease of application and precision. Now it's time to apply. Before I get started, I hold my liner upside down and give it a few shakes. You can also prime the liner by applying a little bit on the back of your hand just to get some fresh product in the tip. And then we go into our first step. We're going to start by lining the center of our eyes first. And to do that, you want to get up close to your mirror and establish the center of your eye line. Now this is going to be the highest point of my liner look. And then immediately following, do the other side for symmetry and balance. Step 2 for our wing liner look is to connect from that inner corner of the eye to the very center of that liner that we already started. So to do that, you got to find your angle. So I'm going to tilt my head at this angle so I can get right in that inner corner. I'm keeping it really tight to the lashes and drawing in my liner to meet the middle. And then, as always, for symmetry and balance, I'm going to do the same to the other side right away. So find your angle and apply from that inner corner, connecting to that middle liner that we already started. My next step for wing liner is going to be connecting from the outer corner to the middle of that line that we already started. And to do this, we are not worried about wings just yet. We just want to create a classic liner shape. So I'm going to find my angle and then connect from the outer corner to the middle. And then immediately following up with the other side. Now we're ready to tackle the wings. Now that we've mastered the classic liner look, where we start in the center, connect from the inside to the middle, outside to middle, it's time to add our wing liner look. So this classic look is actually the basis to many other eye designs. So let's get started with our wings. To do this, you want to look straight into your mirror with your eyes open, and you want to find an angle that is flattering and match it on both sides. The reason you use your eyes open, or you do this with your eyes open, is so that you can see the shapes that you're gonna get. So there's no surprises, there's no stretching of the eyelids and blinking and then just hoping that your eyeliner finds the right place. It's all done with the eyes open in a natural position. So now that I've got my wings established, these are the angles for the wings, it's time to connect from that outermost point to the center of the lid. So I'm gonna make this one a little bit more dramatic, and then connect with my eyes open and looking straight forward into that center of the eye. And you can always add more later, but start small, and then you can kind of layer and tweak it up. Tweak it to be bigger if you need to. I like this shape. So now we're gonna match the other side. So with my eye open, looking straight into my camera, I'm gonna draw my wing into the eye. So you can play with the shapes as you're practicing. I would practice at the end of the day after you're done with all your makeup and all your look for the day. Practice your wing technique every day until you perfect it, so that when it comes to applying in the morning, it's that much easier. So I hope you enjoyed our winged liner deep dive today using our Precision Liquid Liner from Kevyn Aucoin Beauty. As always, you should definitely tag us in all of your beautiful liner work so we can see what you're up to. So tag us at Kevyn Aucoin Beauty and hashtag Team Kevyn.